everyone, today I want to show you how to activate and deactivate user accounts. So we need to log in as an admin. Go to management users page. Find a user that we need to, for example, deactivate. Like, for example, we need Adam test. And we want to deactivate this account. We have this button, like it is said that it is activated, so the user is active, but we need to deactivate this user. So we need to click on this button, like deactivate. Okay. And now it is deactivated. The same if you want to activate the account. So let's say we have another account, this one. This client, Susan Davis, she's now deactivated. So we need to activate this account. We click on this button. Okay. And it is activated. So now you can see that it is activated and here active. And this one is blocked. So that's how you can activate and deactivate user accounts in Clodify system.